How to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to MetaMask 2025. Follow these instructions. Open MetaMask, select the correct network, Ethereum, BNB, or Polygon, and copy your wallet address. Open Trust Wallet and tap on your USDT token. Confirm it matches the same network used in MetaMask. Tap Send on Trust Wallet's USDT screen, then paste the copied MetaMask address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT to transfer, then tap Continue and review the network and address once more. Confirm the gas fee displayed. Make sure you have ETH, BNB, Matic and Trust Wallet to cover network fees. Tap Confirm to send the USDT. The transfer will be processed through the selected blockchain network. Wait a few minutes, then check MetaMask wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived safely in your account. Thank you for watching.